In today's episode, our root word is cred. Cred usually refers to believe. जहाँ पे भी ये लफ्ज इस्तेमाल होगा आपने इसको believe के perspective में use करना है. Our first word is accredit and accreditation. It refers to license, authorization or official certification for someone to do something or something that he has already done. Our second word is creed. Creed is a set of religious beliefs. Our next word is credulity. Credulity is a tendency to be too ready to believe that something is real or true. It means कि अगर कोई बंदा इतना gullible हो या naive हो कि वो फौरन हर बात को सच मान ले, तो उस लफ्ज को credulity में describe किया जाता है. And another word is credentials. Credentials are the qualities that make someone suitable for a particular job. Our next word is credible. A credible is someone who's believable. And our final word is discredit. Discredit means to stop believing in something. Thank you for watching. Hope we'll see you in another video.